Good day, just a quick video. If you're working on a roof, there are some risks involved. One of the risks, as I found out this morning, is that battens that have been laid previously, if they have knots in them, that is very, very risky. Even if everything else is fine with the wood, there is a risk of the wood breaking when you are walking on the roof, if there are knots in the battens. So what you should do is never use battens that have got knots in them when you are laying battens for roofing, and make sure that you use good quality wood. Thank you for watching. Do follow us here, or rather subscribe. You can subscribe for free here on YouTube. It could help us to bring you more valuable videos like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day.